3 reasons knowing your purpose can change everything. Do you know what your life's purpose is? Most of us can't honestly say we do, unless we've made a concerted effort to do some soul-searching and to discover precisely what it is. And this is something that you should definitely invest time into. In this presentation, you'll discover why it's so important to know what your life's purpose is and how it can change everything for you. 1. You stop worrying about what other people think. One of the things that cause the greatest amount of stress and unhappiness for a lot of people is constantly worrying about what others think of them. We worry if we're popular, if we're cool, and if we're being judged by our friends and acquaintances. But when you know what you want from life, then you know what is important to you. And when you know what's important to you, you start to worry less about the opinions of others. After all, if your life's purpose is to make incredible music, then why would you care if someone calls you short? If your life's purpose is to spend time with your family, then who cares what anyone else thinks? This mentality can make you bulletproof, and that is an inspiring way to be. 2. You become more charismatic. Believe it or not, knowing your life's purpose makes you more charismatic and more magnetic. We've already seen how it helps with worrying less about what others think, and that will immediately make you seem cooler and more interesting. When someone isn't trying to impress us, our natural inclination is to try and impress them. Moreover, though, speaking about something that you're passionate about will make you more engaging as you start to speak and gesticulate with your entire body, and your body language becomes congruent with what you're saying. Research shows that this is what makes someone inspiring and impressive when they speak. 3. You are more likely to get what you want. Knowing your life's purpose means knowing what you want from life. And when you know what you want from life, well, then you are much more likely to get it. Without knowing your life's purpose, it is like you are setting out on a journey without knowing the destination. How can you know the best way to get there? And without that, what are the chances you'll end up somewhere you want to be?